could spend the day together today. I'm feeling a little bit hungover this morning, if I'm gonna be completely honest. We went out for dinner last night and I sometimes feel like it's the most chilled dinners that end up being the dinners where I'm like, bottle of wine down, stumbling home, passing out in bed straight away. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit hungover this morning, so please bear with me. I'm feeling a bit fragile. Just on my lip tint, hence why my lip line's looking a little bit darker. My hair up, it is like 34 degrees outside today. It is so hot. Oh my goodness, the restaurant that we went to last night though, if you need a recommendation for somewhere to eat in Ibiza, I went to a restaurant called Marina. Oh my goodness, the food was sensational. I'm just gonna start with a little bit of moisturizer. I love this one from a store at the minute. It's the Atto Barrier 365. I am currently on my period. Not that anyone asked or probably needed to know that, but we've got a few little like breakouts down here, so I'm gonna kind of do like a light base like I usually would on holiday, but just add a little bit of extra coverage. This moisturizer though, so hydrating. SPFs, ultraviolet as always. I'm gonna mix in Iconic. Do I want to do no, we're not gonna push it actually. I'm gonna try to keep this lightweight because it is so hot at the minute, and I feel like the more that I add, in fact let me do it on the back of my hand, the more that I add, the more it's gonna want to melt off. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend Marina in Old Town. Such a good restaurant, staff are so lovely. Honestly, some of the best food that I've had here, and it's quite like a chilled restaurant as well. I mean, you can dress up if you want to, but you can also just go in like flip-flops. Oh, we're looking very glowy. Love that. A little bit of concealer on these spots. I brought this brow gel because my other one has run out. This is still the Anastasia Brow Freeze, but it's in like the tube version with like the little wand. I think I prefer the pot. This one's a little bit more like sticky in consistency, but it's quite good for travel really, because I feel like with the pot obviously you need a little brush or a little spoolie, whereas with this you can just brush it in. I'm gonna do a little bit of Vive. It feels so quiet here. I honestly love this hotel so much. We're staying at Casa Munich. Such a good location. Like it takes about 10 minutes to get into Old Town. Very much recommend if you're looking for somewhere to stay. Okay, makeup is all done. I'm gonna quickly do my body products now, which is probably my favorite part about getting ready when I'm on holiday, is doing like my SPF and my body glow. So at the minute, really love the Sol de Janeiro Rio Radiance SPF 50. This is just a spray. Spray SPFs for the body are my favorite because they're just so easy. And it smells incredible. Like it smells so good. I love the way that it makes the skin look as well. Hawaiian Tropics do a really nice spray oil as well. I just love like how glowy it makes the skin. I also picked up this one recently from Nux. How do we say this brand? I'm not too sure. I saw this on Look Fantastic. It's the SPF 50 Sun Oil. This has like a little bit of a tint to it. You can kind of see what it looks like there. I just love a bit of body glow. Anything that is gonna make my skin look healthy, glowy, like I've literally come from the sun itself, I'm all here for. Yeah, this one has more of a tint, but again, has SPF 50, so it still has protection in it. Okay, and then outfit-wise, I think we're gonna go to the beach for a little bit before we go for paella. So, bikini of the day, that is the question. What bikini are we gonna do? I'm thinking I might do all black today because I think I'm gonna take a black mini dress to wear for lunch. So I'm gonna do this bikini from Bayou. I feel like I never know how to pronounce anything. Like, I think it's Bayou, it's B-A-Y-U, the label. Millie got me on this swimwear brand. I love the details on like the bikinis. A lot of them have this kind of like molten gold detail on them. So yeah, I'm thinking this bikini, I'm gonna bring a little black dress and probably wear that over the top of this, or like I'll put the black dress on first and then bring this for the beach. But either way, we're gonna do black, and then I think I'm gonna do my new Crocs. How gorgeous are these? These are the Miami toe loop sandals. So I got these in the black. Yeah, they've got these in a few different colors. They've got like a really gorgeous pink. They do them in a nude. I love to have just like neutral sandals for summer. Like I love having kind of like a creamy neutral pair of sandals and then just like a plain black. I feel like you can't go wrong. Like these are the sandals that I've packed for holiday because they literally will just go with everything. I think I'm going to do these ones today because they'll go obviously perfectly with the black. I love the straps on these so much and they're so comfortable. As I'm sure a lot of you know, like if anyone has a pair of Crocs, which if you don't, you absolutely should because they are genuinely the comfiest shoes in the world. Love that they've started doing more sort of like sandal style shoes because I love my Crocs so much. Like I have a pair of Crocs at home that I wear all the time when I'm doing like gardening and I'm out and about, but I feel like these are just perfect for styling with like different outfits and they're still just as comfortable as like a pair of Crocs. Like if anyone has Crocs, you'll know they're genuinely just like the most comfortable shoes in the world. So spongy. I have no idea what material they make these with, but they're just incredible. These are the Getaway sandals. Again, they do so many different colors of these, more like colorful colors, darker shades of neutral. These ones have a little bit more of a platform as well. And I got both of mine in a size 5. And I also love that they are wide feet friendly. Like as a wide foot girl, I struggle a lot with sandals sometimes. Like I struggle to find sandals, flip-flops, heels, pretty much anything that is like strappy to fit my feet comfortably. But yeah, these fit perfectly, so comfortable, love the material. I got both of them in a size 5. And yeah, these are gonna be like my go-to summer sandals. I will link both of them down below if you wanna pick a pair up for yourself. Okay, so this is the dress. I'm doing my little Crocs. Love this dress as well. This is like one of those dresses that I just throw in my case for every single trip. I've had it for about 3 years. Look who's here!
Hello!
The Ibiza vlog continues.
And here's a food menu.
Oh, thank you so
The
much.
kitchens as well.
We have a food menu.
We're currently at the best beach club I've ever been to in my life.
So
like
gorgeous.
Aesthetically, so beautiful.
This is a new place for us, but it's actually new in general. It's just opened this month. We're at Clap House. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Is it designed or it's sponsored by
Dolce & Gabbana, and they've decked out like all the towels,
everything
the umbrellas.
is like leopard print. I love it. Like all the girlies are in the leopard print bikinis.
We had a different idea though. We was like, we don't want to blend into, especially because cheetah print is so like specific that I feel like my cheetah print bikini is different to this.
Yeah, I can just tell it's gonna be a gorgeous day. We've just got the food menu. What's it saying?
Some rolls.
Nice.
We've
It's
got-
Japanese, isn't it?
But then a pizza margarita. But with shiso pesto, random. Pizza tuna tataki, random.
Crispy shrimp, spicy tuna.
yum.
Always love a spicy tuna. You get 3 cocktails included in the bed as well. So we'll have to assess. We're also going to Leo later. I'm so excited.
I got bills. I got pay. I feel like we have to do Leo every year on your birthday now.
Yeah.
Like, oh, by the way, today's Hannah's faux birthday because she was away on her birthday, so I didn't get to see her. So today is her fake birthday. So everyone say happy birthday to Hannah.
Happy birthday
Right now.
to me. Yeah, I'm so excited. It looks like a really good show this year. Vibes are vibing and the music's just come on. We love to see it.
We got some birthday margaritas.
Cheers! Margarita! Yeah. Cheers!
My voice was so weird.
Cheers! It's got a half salt brim. Matt's got a Tommy's.
Sorry, I've waited for you. Oh yeah, I got a Tommy's mug.
Ooh! Rice. Just like in the outside. That looks not normal. I think that's normal. Yeah.
That looks so good.
That looks really good. That is literally a tower of watermelon. Sashimi, some crab rolls, ceviche, and the watermelon. What do we try first? Maybe the watermelon. I'm intrigued. The fruit's just like, wow. That looks so good. Oh my god, that's so good.
On the way! Woo!
Okay, we're running a little bit behind.
You wouldn't think it the way we're strolling along.
I know. It's taken about an hour, hasn't it, to get a taxi? We're both in maxi dresses. I feel like we're similar vibes.
Guys, I nearly went commando and I was like, don't do it.
To be fair,
I
it's
want to go on
windy.
stage. So
Yeah, we're going to get Mads on stage. That is the mission of the evening. I'm going to try and ask a waiter.
If not, I'll get up there on my own.
We've got our first drink of the night. It's so loud in here. I was like, we're going to see this.
Incredible things to find. In your breath, stay in your mind, and all that is real is left behind. This is the radio show. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Get you, and it's up to you. No one can say what we get to be.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're back again. What day are we on?
I always lose track of days whenever I'm here.
Yeah.
Is it
Wednesday? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's our last full day. Today we're at Destino. This is our first time coming here since it's been like revamped. I think it's got kind of like a new owner company now. A lot of it's changed in terms of like the interior and the pool, but it's so gorgeous. Just ordered a little bit of food. We've got some sushi, of course, some quesadillas. The quesadillas here have always been really, really good. And yeah, we're gonna have a nice chill day.
Patatas fritas, French fries.
We got a bit of everything.
Alright, here's some soy sauce for the sushi.
Oh my god, girl. We're eating good.
Feasted. Wow.
Look at
A
that.
full platter of sushi.
Quesadilla,
Chicken
Caesar,
and some
fries, of
Wow.
course.
I hope you're hungry, girl.
I sure am. Okay, it's now Thursday. I'm back home from Ibiza. I've actually just made myself like the coziest nest ever. I picked up a granola pot from Pret on the way out of the airport. I got home, I unpacked my case straight away. I've organised my washing. I had an everything shower. I've washed my hair. I've shaved, moisturised my whole body, done my skincare, got my Kindle out. I'm on chapter 10 of Assassin's Blade. I've loved this book. I feel like a few people have said Throne of Glass is difficult to get into, but so far I have flown through Assassin's Blade. But yeah, I've got my apple pot. I've made myself a fresh Stanley. I've put my fantasy playlist on. Heated blanket is on. This is like my post-flight ritual. I've got about an hour before I need to pick Fred up, so I'm just gonna stay in my little nest. Oh my god, what an incredible trip it was. Leo was so good this year. One of my favorite shows they've ever done. It was all circus themed. I was watching my vlog back because I edited it on the flight home, and I feel like I didn't actually vlog as much as I would have liked to because I was just so in the moment, like enjoying everything that we were doing. Yeah, Leo was so good this year. They did like a circus themed show. As someone who is obsessed with burlesque, like burlesque is one of my favorite films of all time. I might actually rewatch it tonight because it's like ignited and reminded me of my love for the soundtrack in burlesque. Like, it's so good. Also The Greatest Showman, like they had a few
performances and tracks with the music from The Greatest Showman. It was just magical. Like, it was such an incredible night. We actually ended up staying in the club for a little bit as well. It does get a little bit more like heavy in terms of the music. Like it becomes like more house. It's not really my kind of vibe. Like, I love something that I can sing along to. I'm not really a house girl. We ended up staying for like half an hour and it was just so fun. It was such a good night. Like, we had the best time. Felt very hungover the next day, but it was worth every single margarita, every glass of wine. Jules was phenomenal as well. That's where we went for dinner last night. I did actually go to Jules last year as well, and the menu and the drinks menu is slightly different this year. Some of the drinks are really, I kind of want to say wacky, like wacky's the wrong word, just very out there, very like creative. I had a tequila cocktail that had kimchi and mango in it. I'm not the most adventurous person with drinks. Like, I usually always get a margarita or a glass of wine, but it was so good. Like, it was delicious. Food was amazing. Such a beautiful setting as well. Like, it's really fun for like a girls' night or a group of friends. But it's really cute for like a date night as well. It's more like dark lit. Clap House, so good. 10 out of 10 recommend for anyone going to Ibiza this year. Such a good vibe. It was just very well organized. Like, service was really, really great. Just felt like a really great experience being there for the day. And then yeah, we did a night in Old Town, did some shopping. It was just the best trip ever. Like, I feel like it was just the perfect Ibiza trip. But yeah, I'm gonna have a nice cozy few hours. I feel like slightly shattered. I don't even know why, because we didn't really have many like late nights or anything, but I think just with like the traveling and everything else, I'm ready for a little bit of rest this weekend and the next few nights. Milan is away for the next few nights as well, so it's just gonna be me in the house and Fred, of course. Yeah, I just wanted to round this vlog off here whilst I am sat down, about to do a little bit of reading. I'm gonna tuck into my yogurt part. Probably gonna get a Nando's tonight. I'm also desperate to watch the new episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty, but I'm gonna have to wait until Saturday when Milana's back because we're watching it together. We do this all the time as well, like the amount of things that we've started watching together and then we both have to wait for the other one to be home. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I hope you're all having a lovely week so far, and I will see you in the next one.